Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Box, full guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Type in the URL, box.com. Press the enter key. You will be directed to the Box homepage. In the upper right corner, locate the login button. Click on the login button. A login page will appear. Enter your email address in the first field. Next, enter your password. Double-check your email and password for accuracy. If you want to stay logged in, check the Keep Me Signed In option. If you forget your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password. Once you have entered your credentials, click the Login button. You will be redirected to your Box account dashboard. If you are logging in for the first time, you may need to accept the terms of service. After accepting, your dashboard will fully load. Explore your account to verify that you are logged in successfully. That concludes the login process for Box. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.